Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody. Hope everyone's having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, hi guys. Okay, this is a little tiny shopping haul again. Yes, you all know that I've been traveling and I did shop a lot. So I know that there's been a lot of shopping hauls, but please guys bear with me because I really want to show you this stuff and then I really want to use them. So as you can tell by the title of the video, this is Walmart and Target, and I got amazing stuff. So I wanted to show them. Look at this. Look how cute this is. Okay guys, this is from Walmart. Can the camera pick it up? Yeah. So it says blessed, and it's a tiny little pillow, but it is the perfect like accent pillow. If you watched my other shopping haul where I got that blinged out gold bunny, oh my god, this looks so cute with it together. So I love this, and I think guys, this was only like $5, or I don't know. I think it was really cheap. Anyways, that's Walmart. And then this is from Walmart, and it's a really cute little hanging. I like the little pretty flower on it and the little gray bunny. And this totally goes with my kitchen theme and little like accents that I have all over the house. I thought that was really cute. It says Happy Easter. I thought that was adorable. Oh, that was only $1.24. That was amazing. Like for $1.24, you cannot go wrong. Thank you, Walmart. Okay, guys, I went everywhere looking for kitchen towels for my kitchen, and I needed 4 because I have 2 ovens. Like I have my stove on one side of the kitchen, and then I have a wall oven on the other side of the kitchen, and I like them to match, especially seasonal cutesy towels. So I couldn't find any 4 of them that matched and the ones I liked. But these are so cute. Look at this. So this is the perfect teal and the flowers. It matches perfectly with my the bunny plates that I bought for my kitchen tablescape. They're perfect. So I got 4, and they were what? I think these were, I want to say they were 99 cents. I got 4. Look how cute. Look at them. These are so cute. Look at that bunny. Isn't he adorable? Like, this is the perfect match. I am so glad I got that. Okay, Walmart. One more thing from Walmart. Okay. And then I got this. It says Easter Blessings. I love it. I think it's adorable. It's just a little bunny, and it has its own little stand, and it sits up straight. And I like the little burlap ribbon. Guys, $3.84. Like, you cannot go wrong with this at all. $3.84. It's amazing. Thank you, Walmart. Okay, so that is all I got from Walmart. So let's go to Target now. I didn't find a lot in Target, but I did find really good deals. So, and I'll tell you what I got. So I got these paper straws at the dollar spot, and these are the colors that I really liked. It's that pink with that like minty blue. Oh my god, $1 paper straws, perfect. Perfect for Easter. And like I said before, I'm hosting Easter at my house, so I'm really excited. And this was an amazing deal. So these are those plastic straws that you put in your tumbler. And I've noticed that my to-go cups, the straws are getting really gross and I just can't clean them. So I'm going to throw them all out. I got pink and I got gold, and they were only $1 at the dollar spot. So that was really great. And then I don't think this, okay. So then Target had this whole like Easter bunny theme. And I got the what is this called? I can't speak English. Oh my god. Good Lord, what is this called? Banner. Lord help me. Okay, Easter banner, and it just says Happy Easter, and the colors are perfect. And the ribbon is actually that tealy blue accent that I have all over the house now. So I thought this was great. What on earth is the price? No idea. It can't be much, I'm telling you. It's just a few dollars. Anyways, and then in that same section, they had this. Oh my god, look how cute this is. It's a little bunny with little eggs. Oh my god, isn't it? And the bunny's like furry, like it's got a furry texture. And I really like the gold detail, and I like that he's in one of these jars. He was $10. So that was cute. I thought that was cute. Okay, then my excitement happened. Grove Collaborative will not deliver to Canada. Thank you very much. But I remembered that someone said that Target sometimes has Miss Meyers. So I got the Miss Meyers peony scent. I got the whole trio, I guess. The dish soap, the cleaner, and this. And what they did is if you bought one, you got the second one for 25% off. So that was great. So I got 6 in total. So I got the peony scent. And then I got the lilac scent. Oh my God, this smells so good. So I got all 3 of them. I got the hand soap, the dish soap, and the surface cleaner. And I was so excited. Guys, I was so excited to find this because literally I just tried ordering from Grove Collaborative and nothing. They said, no, sorry, we will not deliver to Canada. So if any of my subscribers that are in the US would love to order it for me and send it up, guys, please do so. Anyway, so that is it for this shopping haul I had. I love Target. Oh my God, I am so upset that they took Target out of Canada. Listen, it's only a 45-minute drive, I know, but still, it's a 45-minute drive, right? And sometimes you just... Okay, my loves, so that is it for the shopping haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I love making videos for you guys. I love to show you everything that I buy and all my adventures. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me in my adventures. And if you're old, I love you guys. I love, I love my subscribers so much. Leave me a comment down below if you like this video. Big thumbs up, like, comment, and share. You guys know the drill, right? Okay, so I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.